Hello students, welcome to Narayan PU College online classes. So in this today's episode we will start objective questions from the structure of atom. So you can ready with your objective materials. Open volume 1 and you can go to page number 35. See that exercise level 1 question number 1 onwards only. Okay, see the first question we have. Which among the following species have the same number of electrons in its outermost shell as well as penultimate shell only? Again I am repeating question. Among the following species have the same number of electrons in the outermost shell and as penultimate shell only. First of all, you have to know what is the outermost shell and what is the penultimate shell only. So let us see, this is an atom. You can see here center of the part you are calling as a nucleus only. Already we discussed this is a positive charge. So this is the last shell only. The last shell of the orbit we are calling as a valence shell only. The cell just before the valence shell you are calling as penultimate shell only. Penultimate shell. Okay, the question they are asking here, if you take any species of the following species contains both having same number of electrons in penultimate shell and valence shell also. If we consider these two cells, the two cells having same number of electrons, that is the answer for this question only. Let us see the first option we have. The first option is given Mg plus 2 only. Okay, you know Mg, magnesium, we have atomic number is 12 only. So here plus 2 is there. So what you write here? This is 12 minus 2, that is equal to 10 electrons only. So 10 means what are the configuration you are getting here? Mg plus 2 configuration is equals to what? Neon only. Why here? Neon atomic number 10 only. What are the configuration of neon? We have 1s2, 2s2 and 2p6 only. This is the neon configuration. You see, this is the last shell. Last shell means you can consider both this and this is the before the shell only. This is the last shell we are calling as a valence shell. This valence shell contains how many electrons? 8 electrons only. Now here contains how many electrons? We have 2 electrons. This is what shell? Penultimate shell only. So electrons are not equal. So this is not an answer. Come to the next option, we have O minus 2. O minus 2. So O minus 2 here, minus is means you can add 2 electrons only. So 8 plus 2 how many? 10 electrons. We have the same configuration. Same configuration you are getting what? Neon. What are the configuration of neon? We have 1s2, 2s2, 2p6. Here also we have what? 8 electrons in the valence shell and 2 electrons in the penultimate shell. So this is also not a correct answer for this question. Now we can see F minus we have. F minus this is 9 plus 1, that is also how many electrons? 10 electrons only we have. 10 electrons means the configuration is same to what? Neon. So neon means 2 penultimate electrons and 8 valence electrons are there. So this is also not a correct answer for this one. Come to the next question. Next option we have, that is Ca plus 2 only. Ca plus 2. Calcium atomic number how much? 20 plus 2 is there, minus 2 means how many electrons we have? 18 is there only. So 18 means the configuration is similar to which one? Argon only. If you take argon configuration, or you can write here Ca plus 2, that is equal to, you will get what? Argon configuration. Now I will write this one 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2 and 3p6 we have. You can see here 6 plus 2 8, 8 plus 2 10, 10 plus 6 16, 16 plus 2 18 electrons only. You can see this is what shell? This is a valence shell only. The cell just before, this is the valence cell just before valence shell, what is? Penultimate shell. So valence shell contains how many electrons? 8 electrons. Penultimate shell also contains how many electrons here? 8 electrons only. So what is your answer? Your answer is what? Ca plus 2 is the right answer for this question only. Ca plus 2 is the right answer. Now we can see the question number 2 we have. 6 protons can be found in the nucleus of. See the question number 2 we have. 6 protons they are asking. Atomic number is equal to Z. Z is equal to what proton number can we say here? What is given here? Boron given, lithium and carbon and helium. You see the atomic numbers. What is the boron here? Hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, boron 5. Boron 5. 5 means 5 protons. Lithium, atomic number we have 3. We have only 3 protons. Carbon we have atomic number 6. How many protons we have? 6 protons. So helium, we have how many protons are there too? What is your answer? Carbon is the answer for this one. Why carbon? Carbon atomic number 6 contains how many protons? 6 protons only. So what is the answer? You will take the carbon only. Now you can see question number 3 we have. What is the question number 3 here? The nitrogen atom has 7 protons and 7 electrons. The nitride ion N3 minus have. Nitrogen given, ma. Nitrogen, you know, atomic number 7. So 7 means what, ma, here? Protons is equal to 7 and electrons also what, ma? 7 only. But the given ion, that is nitride ion. Nitride ion formula already given, how what, ma, here? That is given N minus 3 only. If you take N minus 3, so if you want to write here only this, what you have? Protons are 7 only. Protons is equal to 7. What about electrons here? 7 plus 3 you can write. Negative means you can add 3 electrons only. So how many electrons you will get, ma? 10 electrons only. How many protons we have? 7 protons are there and 10 electrons are there. So what is your answer? Your answer is what, ma? Option 1 for this question only. Okay. Now you can see the question number 4 we have. Question number 4, mainly they are asking the number of neutrons in heavy hydrogen atom is. Heavy hydrogen. Heavy hydrogen is there. Generally, you know isotopes of hydrogen. You know this one, hydrogen 1 and 1d2, and you can write 1t3, you know. So this is called as isotope of hydrogen. You are calling as what, ma? Heavy hydrogen only. Heavy hydrogen means what, ma? Deuterium you are calling only. In this deuterium, they ask how many neutrons are there. You know one formula. Neutrons N is equal to what, ma? A minus Z. Okay, what are the A? A represent mass number. What are the mass number here? This is 2. Atomic number how much here? Minus 1. That is equal to what? 1. How many neutrons are there? There is 1 neutron there is. So this is question number 4. You will take option 2 for this question. See, question number 5 we have, which of the following is always whole number? Atomic weight, atomic radii, equivalent weight and atomic number they are dealing. Atomic weight maybe we have, it is not a whole number, sometimes it is having some fraction values also there. Atomic radii also, atomic radii is also not a whole number, it is also in the form of fractions. Equivalent weight, the equivalent weight mainly depends on the n factor. So it is also not a whole number. So atomic number is said to be what? Atomic number is what, ma? Whole number only. You will take directly option 4 for this question. What is the option 4 answer we have? That is atomic number we have. Atomic number. Now we can see the next question we have. The question number wrong is given here. So you can see the next question here. Rutherford experiment. Rutherford experiment on scattering of the particles shows that shows for the first time the atom has, okay, generally Rutherford alpha is scattering experiment, you know. What is the Rutherford alpha experiment here? When a beam of radiations can be passed through the metal foil only, a gold metal foil. The gold metal foil is what, ma? Attached to with what here? A circular rotated zinc sulfide screen only. This is the source we are studying. This is the source only. The source of the particle can be passed through a small slit only. So these alpha particles strike on the metal graphite. You can see majority of the particles are passed through this gold metal, and some of the particles are what, ma? Deflected only. This is the experiment, you know. Okay. So some of the particles are deflected by few of the angles only. So from this Rutherford alpha scattering experiment, what they showed that this atom is there. The smallest part is there inside the atom. This is called as what, ma? Nucleus only. Nucleus only. The nucleus having what charge they identified? Having what, ma? Positive charge only. So you can see that options here, electrons are there, protons are there, nucleus is there and neutrons are there. Rutherford alpha scattering experiment mainly identify what, ma? Nucleus only. What is the charge of nucleus here? Positive charge is there only. So this is a nucleus. You will take the answer for this question only. Next question you can see, Rutherford alpha scattering experiment is related to the size of which one only. So mainly it is related to which one means here? This is a size of nucleus only. The size of nucleus is very small. They are identifying only. So what answer you will take for question number 6? We have nucleus only. Next, Rutherford alpha ray scattering experiment eventually lead to the conclusion that, so what is the conclusion they given here? If you take the atom most of the space is what here? Inside the atom is what here? Empty only. Inside the atom what is there? Nucleus is there. Nucleus is composed of what ma? Protons only. Protons are present inside the nucleus. The electrons can be present what ma? Outside the nucleus. So they revolve around the nucleus in a circular orbits only. So what you can take answer for this question number 7. Electrons are occupy the space around the nucleus only. These are the electron positions. Occupy the space what ma? Around the nucleus. So what answer will take here? Electrons are occupy the space around the nucleus only. So this is question number 7 we have. See question number 8 we have. Bohr model can explain only. So generally Bohr model can explain atom or ion having a single electron only. This is one of the postulates of the Bohr only. So you can see the first option is given the spectrum of hydrogen atom only. The spectrum of atom or ion containing only one electron only. So what the answer you can take? Option 2, the spectrum of atom or ion containing one electron only. So you will take option 2 for question number 8 we have only. Now we can see the question number 9 we have. Question number 9, when atom is bombarded with alpha particle, only a few millions of the suffer a deflection only, other are passes out undeflected. This is because of which one only? So whenever you can do this alpha ray scattering experiment, so if we take the atom like this here, so this is a positive charge is there, majority of the alpha particles are moved this one, okay, and few of the alpha particles are deflected like this, few of the angles only. Out of 20,000, one alpha particle bounced back, this one. Clear? Mainly they ask here what is the reason for this one. The force of repulsions moving along the moving alpha particle is small. The force of attraction on the alpha particle to the oppositely charged electrons is very small. There is only one nucleus and a large number of electrons, and the nucleus occupies smaller volume when compared to the volume of the atom only. So when atoms are bombarded with alpha particles, only a few millions of the suffer with deflection, others are passes undeflected. This is because of which one here? This is the nucleus only. The volume of the nucleus is very small when compared to the total volume of the atom. Because of this one only. Okay, what here? Few in millions were what? Deflection only. So you will take answer 4 for this question only. So we will discuss question number 10 later. You can see question number 11 we have. When alpha particles are sent through a thin metal foil, most of them go to the site through the foil, because if you see most of them pass through this alpha particle only. Why? Because here, so this is what here? Positive charge is there. Most of the atom is what? Most of atom is what ma? Empty. Most of the atom in what ma? Empty space only. Okay, most of the atom in what? Empty space only. So what you can take, most of the part of atom is what? Empty in space. You will take option 3 for this question only. Now we can come to the question number 12 we have. When electron jumps from L shell to the K shell only. So you can see, so these are cells only here. So you can see this is K, L, M and N only. These are the shells only. Or you can represent here 1, 2, 3, 4 only. Now we can see the jumping of electron. Jumping of electron takes place from what here? So not K, L to K only. Okay, here electron is there. Here you can imagine electron is there. It is in presence of which one ma? K shell only. And above we have L shell is there. Now what happened here? The electron jump from L to the K shell only. Here L to the K shell. This is a ground state only. This is what state you are calling ma? This is an excited state only. So ground state means what here? Generally the energy is low only. When electron absorb energy, go to the excited state. Excited state, already it is unstable only. So the electron cannot present for a long time. Again the electron jump from what ma? Excited state to what here? Ground state only. Here what is excited state here? L shell only. So electron again jump from L shell to what ma? K shell only. So here what you have? There is a difference in energy is there. The difference in the energy can be what here? Emitted in the form of radiation only. So here difference in energy. Difference in energy emitted in the form of radiation. In the form of what ma? Radiation only. Here what happened here? Energy released absorbed means here energy what ma? Released only, because it is coming from excited state to what here? Ground state only. Ground state is there absorb energy. Okay, excited state is there, release energy again come to what here? Ground state only. What is your answer here? Energy is what? Released only. Energy is released in this process when electrons jump from what ma? L shell to what? K shell only. What is the answer we will take here? We will take option 2 for this question only. Next you can see question number 13 we have. Question number 13 mainly tells about when beryllium is bombarded with alpha particles, extreme penetrating radiation which cannot be deflected by electrical magnetic field given out, these are beryllium is there. So beryllium atom is bombarded with what ma? Alpha particle only. So we will write here 2He4 we have. What are the beryllium here? Hydrogen, lithium, hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium we have only. So beryllium means I will write here 4, here I will write 9 only. If these two are bombarded, then what I will get here? I will get carbon 6 with 12 and I will get 0 N1 only. What is 0 N1? So 0 N1 is what ma? Neutron only. So neutron can be released in this process only. This is what? Bombardment of beryllium with what ma? Alpha particle only. Alpha particle means 2He4. What is produced in this? Neutrons are produced only. So what is your answer here? A beam of neutrons can be formed in this bombardment only. So the next question we have, question number 14 we have. Which of the following is not a characteristics of Planck's quantum theory of the radiation? Planck's quantum theory. Okay, the first option is given, the energy is not absorbed or emitted in a whole number or multiple quantum. Radiation is associated with energy. Radiation energy is not emitted or absorbed continuously but in the form of small packets of the quantum. The magnitude of the energy with a quantum in the proportional to what na? Frequency only. Once you can recall this Planck's quantum theory, that is from the black body of the radiation only. So here the energy is not absorbed or not emitted with the whole number or the quantum only. The first one is not related to the Planck's quantum theory. You can see the remaining we have radiation associated with energy, radiation of energy not emitted or absorbed but it in the form of which one? Small packets of the energy, that we are calling as what? Quantum only. So E is directly proportional to what? My frequency. Energy is directly proportional to what? Frequency of the radiation only. So it is not in a whole number or what? Multiple quantum. The energy in the form of which one? Small packets only. That small packets what are calling? Quantum only. So what is your answer for this question means you will take option 1 for this question only. See the next question we have, question number 15. The spectrum of hydrogen expect to similar to spectrum of He. Spectrum of He is expected to similar to. So He spectrum you can see. So if we take He, how many electrons we have means here 2 electrons are there only. So among those which is 2 electrons are there, the spectrum is similar only. The first one is given what? Hydrogen. You know hydrogen having only 1 electron we have, and the second one we have lithium plus only. Lithium means what? Generally what? 3 electrons are there. So this is 3 minus 1, that is equal to 2 electrons we have, and one more we have sodium. Sodium means we have 11 electrons are there, and you can see He plus means having only 1 electron only. So which is that answer for this question? He spectrum similar to which one ma? Li plus only, because both are having which one? Same number of electrons only. So this is question number 15 we have. What is your answer? Li plus is the answer only. Next you can see question number 16 ma. The energy of an orbit. So orbit you can say these are the different orbits you have. You will write here K, L, M, En, like that you can write it only. So energy of the orbit, so this is the nucleus we have. Energy of the orbit when it is possible, you can see the different options are given. Increases as move away from the nucleus, decreases as we move far away from the nucleus, and remain same as move away from the nucleus. Fourth one is what? None of these only. You can see energy of the orbit. So these are the different orbits here, k orbit, kl, m, and these are the different orbits are there. You can see here what are the energy, k less than, l less than, m less than n only. Means what here? When the orbital is energy increases, they can far away from the what? Nucleus only, which is very close to nucleus. K is very close to nucleus, then L, then M, then N, which is far away from the nucleus. Nth shell is the far away from the nucleus. So if the energy is what? Increases as move away from the what? Nucleus only. Energy increases. Energy increases. Okay, when it is possible, we move far away from nucleus only. What are the energy you can see here? K less than, L less than, M less than, N we have only. Okay, means what here? You know principal quantum number. N value increases, size and energy what increase or not? You know principal quantum number. Principal quantum number, N increases, size and what energy what increases only. You can say N means here you can say 1, this is 2, this is 3, and this is 4. On N value 4 means N increases, then what happened? Size increases and also what? Energy also what? Increases only. So now we can see question number 17 we have. This is also one of the direct question we have. Bohr model atom could not account for. These are the demerits of the Bohr model we already discussed here. Emission spectrum, absorption spectrum, line spectrum and fine spectrum only. It does not mainly explain which one fine spectrum of the hydrogen atom only. So direct question, it is one of the demerits of the Bohr theory we have. What it does not explain? It does not explain clearly regarding about fine spectrum only. Next we can see question number 18 we have. The existence of positively charged particles, nucleus was established. Generally, where the nucleus can be identified in which experiment, which is observed in the Rutherford alpha ray scattering experiment only. Rutherford alpha ray scattering experiment mainly explain that the center of the atom is called as a nucleus only. It is having a positive charge. Most of the atom inside the space is what? Empty only. So from which you are exactly identifying this existence of this positively charged nucleus means which experiment? Rutherford alpha ray scattering experiment only. So you will take option 2 for this question number 18 only. Question number 19 we can see. Electrons occupies the available orbital singly before the pairing of any one orbital. It occurs, it is. Means pairing of electron takes place. Okay, one electron field is next the electron can be paired. Generally it is according to which rule means here Hund's rule we discussed. We discussed 3 rules. Okay, what are the Hofbauer principle and Pauli's exclusion principle, and one more what we discussed Hund's rule only. So what is this Hund's rule tells about? Electron pairing takes place in what? Descended orbital. All the orbitals are filled by one electron each only. Electron pairing takes place. Electron pairing takes place in degenerate orbitals. Degenerate orbitals when all orbitals are filled by one electron each. One electron each one. Let us take one example. We have nitrogen. So nitrogen configuration, you know, 1s2, 2s2 and 2p3. 1s2, 2s2, 2p3. So if we compare this 2p3, we have, you know, already p orbitals are 3. You know, this is 2px and 2py and 2pz only. Clear? How many electrons are there? 1, 2 and 3. So in this case I think there is no problem, but you can take oxygen we have. 8 we have, that is 1s2, 2s2 and what ma? 2p4 only. If we take the 2p4 configuration, we have this is 2px, this is 2py and a 2pz. So these are the degenerate orbital only. Electron pair takes place in the degenerate orbital when all the orbitals are filled by one electron each only. So we have 4 electrons are there, 2px 1 electron, 2py 1 electron and 2pz 1 electron only. Now the 4th electron enters into which orbital? That is 2px or 2py or 2pz means the electron enters into which orbital ma? 2px orbital only. So this is according to which rule? This is according to what ma? Hund's rule only. So what is the answer for question number 19? We have option 2 is the answer for this question only. So the next question we have question number 20. The wavelength of a spectral line for an electronic transition is inversely proportional to number of electrons undergoing transition, the nuclear charge of an atom, the difference in the energy of the energy level involved in the transition and the velocity of electron undergoing a transition only. If you take the relation between wavelength and energy, suppose you are taking here wavelength and energy, here E is equal to h nu. If we take the difference here, delta E is equal to h into c by lambda, we can take, you know, frequency needs c by lambda only. Now we can see the difference here. I can write here lambda is equal to hc by delta U only. So what is the relation here? Lambda inversely proportional to what ma? Change in the energy only. So what you can see here, the difference in the energy level, okay, the wavelength is inversely proportional to what ma? Difference in the energy level of the involved in what? Transition only. So what is your answer here? Lambda wavelength is inversely proportional to difference in the energy only. So you will take option 3 for this question only. Clear? So this is question number 20 we have only. Now we can see the next question we have, question number 21 only. The time taken for the revolution of time taken for electron to complete one revolution in the Bohr orbit of an hydrogen atom only. So we have to compare here revolution, time revolution, RPS, revolution per second, and TRPS, time taken for the revolution of the per second, we have to consider only. So before that we have to write here velocity I am getting from the angular momentum formula only. You know MVR is equal to NH by 2 pi. From where we are getting here, this is a angular momentum of an electron only. From this I wanted velocity expression V is equal to NH by, I will write here 2 pi mr only. So V means what here? V represent what here? Velocity we have. So from this what you can identify here? You can identify the number of revolutions per second only. I will write here number of revolutions per second is equal to volume by, I will write here circumference only. Already we discussed in the Bohr atomic model only. So volume means what ma? V by circumference what ma? 2 pi r only. So number of revolutions per second here you can write RPS, revolutions per second only. Now I will write here RPS is equal to, what is the volume velocity I got here? NH. That means here NH by, this is 2 pi mr by, I will write this one 2 pi r. You will write NH by, this is 2 pi mr into 1 by 2 pi r, I will write only 1 by 2 pi r. From this what I want to get here? NH by, I will get here 4 pi square m r square only. This is what ma? Revolutions per second only. They are asking here time taken for the revolution per second here. Time taken for revolution per second is equal to inverse of this one, revolutions per second only. Now what I want to get here? NH, I will write here 1 by what here? 1 by NH, this is 1 by NH by 4 pi square mr square. From this I will write here 4 pi square mr square by what ma? NH. Clear? First we are finding velocity expression from the angular momentum only. Then you can find out the revolutions per second by using the formula volume by circumference only. Then I want to find out revolution per second. What I got here? NH by 4 pi square mr square. Then time revolution per second what I got? 1 by revolution per second, then we are getting out 4 pi square mr square by nh only. So what is your answer here? Your option is what, ma? 1 for this question only. 1 for this question. So this is, we have question number 21 we have. Now we can see question number 22. The radius of the which of the following orbit is same as that of first Bohr orbit of hydrogen atom only. You know, first Bohr orbit of hydrogen atom, radius of the hydrogen atom, we can generally, you know, here what is the formula we have? 0.529 into n square by z angstrom units only, 0.529 angstrom units only. For hydrogen atom, suppose you are taking. For hydrogen atom, first orbit means n is equal to 1 and z is equal to 1. So radius of hydrogen atom, how much you will get, ma? This is 0.529 angstrom units into, this is 1 square by 1. Radius of hydrogen atom is equal to what I get here? 0.529 angstrom units. So I got. Now the question is what here? The radius of which of the following orbit is same as that of the first orbit of the Bohr hydrogen atom only. Now we can see the first option. The first option is given here, He plus n is equal to given. N is equal to given means it is the second orbit value they given only. So if you want to write the same formula, radius of He plus, suppose you can write this is 0.529, n value how much, ma? This is 2 square by helium atomic number how much here? Z is equal to how much, ma? 2 only we have. So now we will write here 2 only, this square root 2 cancel here. What you got here? 0.529 into 2. So here 18, this is 5 and this is 1.058 angstrom units only. Here how much you got? 0.529. Both are same, both are not same, both are not equal. So first option is what, ma? Wrong option only. Okay, we can go for the next option like this only. What are the next option is given? The next option is given here, Li plus 3 given. Li plus 3 given, here also n is equal to 2. If we take the second option, we have Li plus 3, n is equal to 2, Z, hydrogen, helium, lithium, Z is equal to 3 we have all. Now we can see radius of this Li plus 3 is equal to 0.529 into here 2 square by 3 only. So what you will get, ma? This is 0.529 into 4 by 3 you will get only. So this is what you will get here. If you can take approximately, the value is not equals to what, ma? Hydrogen atom only. So Li plus 3 also what we have? Wrong option only. The value is not equal to 0.529 only. Now we can take option 3. We have Li plus 2, n is equal to 3 is given. Li plus 2, n is equal to 3 is given and here z is equal to 3. Radius of Li plus 2 is equal to 0.529 into, this is 3 square by 3 only, square 3 cancel. This is 0.529 into 3, this is 7 and this is 7 and 1 we have, this is 15, you will getting 1.67 angstrom units which is not equals to what, ma? 0.529 angstrom units. So option 3 also wrong answer only. Come to the last option, we have Be plus 3. Be plus 3, n is equal to 2. N is equal to what, ma? 2 only. Z is equal to how much? 4 only. Hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium 4. Now I am writing here radius of Be plus 3 is equal to 0.529. N square value how much, ma? 2 square. By Z value how much we have? 4. 2 square 4 cancel, na? Then what you will get? 0.529 answer. Which is same or not? Which is same as the radius of the first orbit of hydrogen. So what is your answer? Your answer is what? Be plus 3 is the right answer for this question number 22. We can take option 4 only. See the next question, question number 23, ma. In the nucleus of 20 atomic number calcium with mass number is 40 given, what they contain they asking only. Calcium is given, this is 20 and 40. From this you can write the information here. What you can, they are giving here protons and neutrons only. From this I am writing here protons is equal to 20 and I will write neutrons is equal to E minus Z. A what is A 40 only, that is 40 minus 20, that is equal to 20 only. Now we can see in the nucleus of proton, nucleus they are asking only, this is the nucleus only. So electrons are present outside. In the nucleus what we have? Protons and neutrons are there. Protons how many we have? 20 only. Neutrons how many we have? 20 we have. So what is your answer? The nucleus of a calcium contains 20 protons, 20 neutrons only. So you will take option 3 for this question only. Now we can see question number 24. We have the Na plus ion is isoelectronic with. Isoelectronic means what ma? Same number of electrons only. This atom or ion having same number of electrons, those we are calling as isoelectronic species only. Now we can take the Na plus ma. So generally sodium atomic number 11 only na? 11. Here positive charge, loss of electron or gain of electron, loss of electron. So 11 minus 1, we have 10 electrons only. See the first option we have. The first option is given, Li plus is given. Hydrogen, helium, lithium only. Lithium how much ma? 3 only. 3 minus 1, that is equal to 2 electron. Both are same ma? No. Come to the next option we have Mg plus 2. Mg plus 2 magnesium how much ma? 12 is the atomic number, 12 is there, 12 electrons are there, and you can remove the 2 electrons here. Why? The positive charge is there. How many electrons we have? 10 electrons only. Na plus having how many electrons? 10 electrons. Mg plus having what? 10 electrons. These are two said to be what? Isoelectronic only. So these are said to be isoelectronic only. So what is your answer? Your answer is what? Mg plus 2 only. Mg plus 2 is the answer only. Come to the question number 25 we have. Calcium has atomic number 20 and atomic weight is 40. Which of the following statement is not correct about the calcium atom? Same question is given. Calcium 20 given, 40 given. So I will write the information here. Number of protons is equal to 20. I will write electrons is equal to 20. I will write neutrons is equal to 40 minus 20, that is equal to 20 only. Okay, protons are 20, electrons are 20, neutrons are 20 only. See the options here, what is given? The number of electrons is same as the number of neutrons. The first option is given, number of electrons is equal to number of neutrons only. I will write simply N1. Is it right or not? Yes. Electrons is 20, neutrons are 20. So option 1 is correct only. Second option you can see, the number of nucleons is the double the number of electrons only. Number of nucleons. What are nucleons ma? Nucleons means proton plus neutrons together called as a nucleons only. Proton plus neutrons together called what? Nucleons only. Protons how many? 20. Neutrons how many? 20. Total how much? 40. You see the second option again. The number of nucleons is the double the number of electrons only. Electrons how many we have? 20. Double means what? 2 into 20 how much? 40 only. And now I will write here. Proton plus neutrons are calling a nucleus, that is equal to double the number of electrons only. Double the number of electrons. This is 40. You can write here 2 into 20, that is equal to what? 40 only. So is it right answer? Yes. Now we can say third option. The number of protons is the half of the number of neutrons. Number of protons. Number of protons is equal to what ma? Half of number of neutrons only. They are giving. Protons how much ma? 20. Neutrons how much ma? 20. Both are what? Equal. Okay, means electrons, number of protons is not half of the number of neutrons only. Both protons and neutrons are what? Equal. So what is your answer here? They are asking which of the following is not correct. Which is not correct ma? Option 3 is what? Not correct for this question only. So what answer you will take? You will take option 3 for this question number 25 we have one. Now we can see the question number 26 we have. Pick out the isoelectronic structures only. Isoelectronic structures mean they are asking which are having the following same structure only. For same structure means you can identify the same number of electrons only. If the electrons are equal, you can say that they having the structures also what? Equal only. You can see the first option we have. The first option I want to take here CH3 plus. I want to find out here what ma? Number of electrons only I want to find. So carbon we have how many electrons ma? 6 electrons only. We have 3 hydrogens only. Each hydrogen having 1 electron, total 3. And positive charge is there -1. That is equal to I will write 8 electrons only. So we can take the second option we have. They given 1 only. Yes, second option you can say this is H3O plus only. Oxygen we have 8 electrons. This is 3 -1. Why -1 ma? Positive charge is there. So you can see what here 8 plus 3 what ma? 11. 11 -1 we have 10 electrons. See the third option we have, that is NH3 only. Nitrogen is 7 only, plus 3 we have 10 electrons. And fourth option you can say, fourth option we have CH3 minus, we have CH3 minus means what ma? Carbon 6, 3 hydrogens, so negative charge is there, plus 1 you can add, how much we have? 10 electrons only. So which are having same number of electrons here? H3O plus and NH3 and CH3 minus having same number of electrons. So we can say these are having what? Iso structure only. What answer will take? 2, 3 and 4. 2, 3 and 4. It is present in which option? We have fourth option. What the option we have? 2, 3 and 4. So this is a question number 26 we have. See the next question we have question number 27. The number of electrons in CONH2. They are asking electrons in what? Electrons in CONH2 only. You can write the compound like this. This is C double bond O. I will write here NH2 only. So they are asking what here? Number of electrons only. So number of electrons they are asking here. What atoms are there here? Carbon is there, oxygen is there, nitrogen is there, and the hydrogen also there. Number of electrons I want to write. If we take the carbon, we have 6 electrons are there. Clear? Atomic number of the carbon is 6, 1 electron. And this oxygen we have 8 electrons are there. And the nitrogen we have how much ma? 7 we have, and 2 hydrogens are there. Now we can add these two. What you are getting here? This is 9. 9 plus 1, 10, 17. 17, what you will get ma here? 23 electrons you are getting only. But you can see this carbon is bonded to another atom only. Here what happened here? The carbon is sharing the electron from the other atom only. Means what here? Here also we have 1 electron is there, because this bond is having what here? This is the bond because of the sharing of this carbon with another atom only. Suppose we have the compound is like this. CONH2 is there. The electron pair can be shared by carbon and what? Alkyl group only. So you can here 1 electron, here 1 electron is there. Here 1 electron, imagine here 1 electron. So here how many electrons extra? 1 electron only. So I will write here 1 electron extra here. What you will get ma? 24 electrons only. So you are comparing the electron which are present in what? The atom which are present in what? Bonding only. So total how many electrons you are getting ma? 24 electrons only. So this is question number 27 we have. Now we can see question number 28 only. The atomic number of an element in the valence shell has electronic configuration 4s/4p6 only. What are the configuration it is? It is a valence shell configuration. What is the configuration they given? 4s/4p6 only. What they asking here? What is the atomic number they asking only? What is the atomic number of this element with the configuration 4s/4p6 only? So if you see the configuration, generally we have to get the electronic configuration and the cells in case of this periodic classification of elements only. But let us see what are the last group I am taking in the periodic table only. Those are helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon and radon only. So all these called what means? All these are called as noble gases only. All these are gas what ma? Noble gases only. You see the configuration, this is 1s2, this is 2s2 2p6, and this is 3s2 3p6, and this is 4s2 4p6, and this is 5s2 5p6, and this is 6s2 6p6 only. This is what here? This is the valence shell configuration I wrote. What is the configuration ma? This is the valence shell configuration only. So helium, you know, atomic number is 2 we have, and neon you know 10 only. Argon we have 18, and 18 plus 18 you can add what ma? 36 you can add only. 36 what element configuration? That is krypton only. So krypton atomic number how much? 36 only. So 36 means the atomic number of the element with valence shell configuration 4s2 4p6 how much? 36 on. How you will get here? Just you can add 2, 8, 8, 18, 18, 32. You will get all the atomic numbers in this one. 2 is there. Here difference how much? Difference 8 on. Then here difference how much here? 8. 2 is there. 8 is there. Here difference. Here 8 is there. Then you can add 18. 18 plus 18 how much here? 36. Again 18 you can add. 36 plus 18 how much here? 54. Then you can add 32. You will get all the atomic numbers in this element. So what is your answer, ma? Your answer is what? 36 only. What are the element? The element is what? Krypton we have. So what the answer you will take? You will take option 2 for this one. Atomic number how much, ma? 36 only. So this is question number we have 28 only. Now we can see question number 29 we have. The positive charge of an atom, generally positive charge of an atom, where it is concentrated is an atom only. Positive charge mainly concentrated what? Nucleus only. So it is mainly concentrated what? Nucleus only. Positive charge at what? Nucleus only. What is your answer? You will take option 3 for this question only. Now we can see question number 30 only. A metal surface exposed to the solar radiations only. It is related to the photoelectric concept only. Here metal surface is there. This is what surface? This is a metal surface we have. Metal surface only. This metal surface exposed to solar radiations only. This is the radiations can be passed on this substrates. Then what happened here? Electrons are, you can say this is solar radiations only. Electrons are ejected from the metal surface only. This general effect comes under what effect, ma? This is a photoelectric effect only. What effect here? It is a photoelectric effect only. So the question is related to which one? Photoelectric effect. You know from this photoelectric effect, what are the here? What you can write? E is equal to W plus Ke, you know. W plus Ke. From this you will write E means what, ma? H nu is equal to H nu naught plus what? Ke only. H nu naught plus what, ma? Ke. From this Ke you will write here Ke is equal to what, ma? H nu minus what, ma? H nu naught on. This expression you know. Okay, you know this is the threshold frequency only. The minimum frequency required to eject the electron from the metal surface is called as what? Threshold frequency only. This is the expression from the photoelectric effect only. Now the question is what here? A metal surface is exposed to the solar radiations. The emitted electrons having less energy than the maximum value energy depending upon the frequency of the incident light only. You know emitted electrons are, it mainly depends on what? Intensity of the incident light only. So energy directly proportional to what here? Number of photoelectrons are ejected from the metal surface only. That is the concept, you know. The emitted electrons having less energy than the value of energy depending upon the frequency of the incident radiation only. So generally you can say kinetic energy, suppose you can leave this one, what you are getting here? Kinetic energy is equal to H nu you are getting only. So generally in the photoelectric effect, what is possible here? When kinetic energy always what, ma? Here kinetic energy you are comparing only. So when you can compare the kinetic energy always less than what here? Kinetic energy always less than what, ma? Here H nu. It is possible, then only the photoelectric effect will be takes place only. You see the option 1 here, the emitted electron having less energy than the maximum value of energy depending upon the frequency of the incident radiation only. Energy of the emitted electrons having less in energy, okay, less than the what energy, ma? Maximum energy depending upon the frequency of which one? Incident radiation only. We can see the second option we have, the emitted electrons having less than the maximum energy value of energy depending upon the intensity of the incident radiation. The emitted electrons having a zero energy, the emitted electrons having a energy equals to the energy of which one, ma? Photos of the incident light. So what are the answer we will take here? The kinetic energy less than what here? Energy only. So what are the answer we will take here? The emitted electrons having less than energy, the maximum value of energy depending on what? Frequency of the incident radiation only. So we will take option 1 for this question number 30 we have. See question number 31 we have. De Broglie equation describes the relationship of wavelength is associated with the motion of electron and its dash. You see De Broglie wavelength lambda is equal to h by mv. or lambda is equal to, you will write h by rho only. What is rho? Rho is a momentum. Momentum is mass into velocity you will take on. So de Broglie wave relationship of wavelength associated with what? One of the motion of electron, that is what? Momentum only. So what is rho here? Rho is equal to momentum only. What answer will take? Option 3 you will take one. Question number 32 you can see. The wave nature of electron, dual nature of electron, first page what me here? De Broglie only. You will take direct option, that is option 1 only. Among the following, for which of the one mathematical expression is the given lambda is equal to h by p. Lambda is equal to h by p for which expression? This is de Broglie expression only. Direct question only. So we will take option 1 for this question. 32 will take option 1 only. 32 we can take de Broglie direct only. 32 de Broglie means that is option 1. 33 you can see lambda is equal to h by b given by which one? De Broglie only. So that is option 1 you will take only. Next. Question number 34 you can see. Question number 34 we have. What is 34? Which of the following explains light both stream of particles having and have a wave motion? Dual nature of atom. So dual nature of atom is who proposed first? De Broglie only. He gave one expression lambda is equal to h by p, or you can write lambda is equal to h by mb only. Who proposed this one? De Broglie only. So what is the answer for this question? Option 1 is given diffraction. Option 2 is given lambda is equal to h by p. Option 3 is given interference. Option 4 is given photoelectric effect. What is your answer? Lambda is equal to h by p only. So you will take option 2 for this question only. Next. In which of the following pairs of the experimental observations on the phenomena does not experimental observations and correctly account for the phenomena of the complex forming? So here they are asking which of the matching is correctly matched with the experimental observation only. The first one is given X-ray spectra, and observation and phenomena is given charge on the nucleus only. X-ray spectra does not describe the charge on the nucleus. So charge on the nucleus we are getting from what? Rutherford alpha ray scattering experiment only. So this is not a correct match only. Come to the alpha ray scattering experiment. Alpha ray scattering experiment mainly tells about what? Charge of the nucleus only, and what the positive charge is present at the center of the nucleus. The center of the nucleus having some protons is given, but what is given here? Quantization of electrons in an orbit. Generally the quantization of electrons in an orbit is given by whom? Bohr is given here quantization of electrons only. Next, emission of the spectra. What the phenomena is given? Quantization of the energy given only. So emission spectra generally. Emission spectra means what? The electrons can be absorb the radiations, they can be released in the form of emissions only. The emitter radiations in the form of small packets of energy, that is called as what? Quantum only. That quantization of energy can be observed in what? Emission spectra only. That is the right answer. So photoelectric effect tells about the nuclear of an atom. It does not tell us about the nuclear of atom. So what is your answer? Your answer is what? 3. That is emission spectra tells about what? Quantization of energy only. So you will take what are the answer? Option 3 for this question only. Come to question number 36 we have. Which of the following expressions the de Broglie relation? Very simple question. See, this question is de Broglie, 31 also de Broglie, 32 also de Broglie, 34 also de Broglie. So what is your answer here? Lambda is equal to h by emv only. So you will take what? Option 2 for this question only. Come to the next question. We have question number 37. Same, that is also de Broglie wave equation only. That is also direct question. We have lambda is equal to h by mv. So you will take option 4 for this question only. 38 question you can see. 38 is a problem which is based on de Broglie only. The de Broglie wavelength of a particle with a mass 1 gram and velocity is what? 100 meter per second is. What is the de Broglie expression? Lambda is equal to h by mv. You know lambda is equal to h by mv. So h is equal to Planck's constant, its value 6.625 into 10 power minus 34 joule second we have. What is the mass is given? Mass is given 1 gram only. So always you can write the mass in what? Kilogram only. We will write 1 into 10 power minus 3 kg. Velocity, what is the velocity given? 100 meter per second. Velocity already given here 100 meter per second only. Substitute the values. Lambda is equal to 6.625 into 10 power minus 34 joule second by this value 1 into 10 power minus 3 kilograms into 100 meter second inverse only. So you can see the values here 6.625 into 10 power minus 34 by, can I write this one 10 square? 10 square into 10 power minus 3, what I get? 10 power minus 1 only. I will write this one 6.625 into 10 power minus 34 into 10 power 1 only. So what I will get? 6.625 into 10 power minus 33 meter only. What is your answer for this question? 6.625 into 10 power minus 33 meter. That is option 1 for this question only.